Welcome back, students. In today's lecture we will talk about the IT applications, and before that we'll complete the session 2 solutions. Okay, so in the session 2 we have discussed BPO and that things. Okay, so let's start this all first, that thing. Okay, BPM stands for what? As we know, what is the BPM stands for business process management, so it will be business process management. Okay, now second is dash organizations cater the needs of their parents company only and do not serve external clients. So external clients they are not going to send. So for this it will be GIC. Okay, now next question answers is there. First is define BPM. So it is business process management and is a process in which people use various methods to analyze, measure, improve and optimize their process. Sometimes people even ends up discovering new businesses process, so they can also create that, they have to follow that BPM. Okay, what are the MNCs? Give one example. So MNCs means those companies which have offices in various countries, called MNCs, that is multinational companies. They attract global as well as the domestic customers also. MNCs have their headquarters in one country and they operate in another countries too. Then example of the MNCs maybe you can say is Google is there, right? Then after Infosys is there. Then we can talk about the Microsoft. Okay, these are the example of various MNCs company. Reliance is also there. Next is what are the categories of BPM? So there are three categories of BPM. First, integration centric BPM, human centric BPM and document centric BPM. So this is all about the session 2 and its exercise. Now we are going to start session 3. It is called the IT applications, means where the information technologies are used. So first, IT applications, let's learn about the what is the meaning of IT applications. So as we know, let's see, first I will carry out the highlighter. Okay, information technology attracts our life to great extent. When you are bored, sometimes when you are getting the bored, you watch the television, maybe you play the games. It is based on the, it is part of the application. Sometimes you get hungry, okay, and you order something, that is part of the IT. Even though you can go to the kitchen and you see the some microwave is there, food processors are there inside the kitchen, so it's a part of the IT. So all the machines are around you, that is the part of the IT application. So nowadays IT application means 80 to 90% are around us, that is part of the IT. And IT makes our work very easy and efficient, okay, as we know that, and it use less time and will with less energy also. Okay, in IT companies and IT there is regular work and like to take and like attendance of the employees, they takes the feedbacks, improve the quality, efficiency check, all are there. That kind of things also possible by the IT. And it can also be used for the, like we can play, listen to music, we watch the movies, okay, play games, doing office work, we do chatting, send the messages, and daily planner is there, online reading books are there. Okay, paying utilities like electricity bill is there, all that bills we can pay, tickets, banking, all these kind of things. It's a part of IT applications. Now first is IT is used in education. Education means we are day to day item I'm teaching you, that is it's using the IT, information technology only, because students and colleges and schools use the IT in contact. The internet helps them to understand the better topics than the offline. YouTube lessons are freely available and anytime anywhere you can read it, you can watch it and you can learn it, and also you can do the revision multiple times. Even if you want to watch any video from the USA, you can watch it at home. Some CD DVD applications are also used for the teaching for the students, and also teachers can give the assignments and assessment to the student, and they can do work line offline also then. Okay, so also we can see some cartoons and movie animation to learn the videos or to learn the particular topic. Like Byju's is there, they teach us very easily using the different animations. So we can, it's a part of education. In the education also we can use the IT applications. Now IT also is in a classroom. ITCT is called classroom technology. Like smart classes are there in our school class. Smart classes are also there, presentation with animation, experimental videos, simulations, images of teaching learning materials, desktop publishing. Okay, like holdings are there, banners are there. It's a part of educational games are also there. So it's a part of classes and education anywhere anytime. We can use, we can teach, we can learn anytime, anywhere, anytime. Okay, using the internet is possible. That's why using the different uh, applications are also in the market. LSM means learning management system. We can also create learning management system. In that, audio video lectures are there, assignments are there. Okay, and we can also attend the class. Also they can take online exams, and also they can display the result online. Even we sit at home, we can do these kind of things also. So our report also generate online. And also IT is used at home, like we can play we can play the different games, we can watch the cartoon movies, right? And so we can do the CD DVDs also there. Like washing machine is there in the home, geyser is there, like these are also part of the your IT. Also we can do online shopping. Okay, selling is also there. Also we can take online appointment. We can book the reservation, also any tickets. So these are the part of applications which we use at home also. Next, at in everyday life, do it today we are using a different gadgets are there, which are part of like cell phone is there, microphone is there, all that things are possibly because of the IT application we are using in day-to-day life. Also we can do almost anything with the height of technology. Gone are the days where the person had to stand long queue to get the banking details and enter that, or online reservation railway. They are sitting at home, you can buy any kind of tickets. Okay, because technology change our lives dramatically. And information technology used in every sphere of our lives, such as the educational, business. Internet is available to everyone and can work with anyone. Any information we can retrieve anytime. Okay, so every life is become life of our own. Okay, next, workplace. The person who are working anywhere, like they can work like a thumb scan is there, biometric scanner is there. They will take attendance of any person. Like it's a new technology there. You can create some new product. Before you launch, you have to make some advertisement, so you can also work on that at your workplace. Right, you can manage the reports, computerize the all processes has been done in offices. Like computerization process had to be lead minimum human interaction. Okay, and then you can improve the work of process. So also IT used at workplace. Next, for entertainment, like movie theaters also use the AIT, like to download and share the entertainment materials like movie, songs. Even you can live matches also we can watch at sitting at home. Okay, you can play the games online with your friends while you're sitting at their own home. And IT change the entertainment world also, it can be change it. Okay, now for the communication means we can chat it each other, we can sell, video calling is there, audio calling is there, messages are there, right? It's a part of communication. Many years ago you used to send a letter to contact someone. We have to send the letter, it can take 1 month also to carry. Okay, it several days to reach the destination. After the telephone came, nowadays you can not only talk to, but you can only see them using the video calls. And for that we have to use FTP, file transfer photo. You can send the messages, images, audio, video also. Okay, it's a part of communication in IT. Also we use also IT use for the business. So IT use in business to prepare budgets, management, payroll preparation, financial decision making, stock management, online sale, purchase of things, all that things can be done. But for also it is part of the, we have to send some ATM pins also, so that our say transaction becomes secure. Okay, used in science and engineering. Science means we have when we want to do some experiment, we have to use the computer. And for the engineering, draw something like computer aided design is there, computer aided manufacturing is there, 3D visualization is there, like games, 3D games are there. For that they have to use the computer. So IT is everywhere. They also use in science and the engineering too. Like the robots are designed, see, robots are designed using the computer, so they can go to the active volcano and they can research also. Okay, so it's a part of science and technology. Next is application is bank. In the bank we are using the computer also, because they keep our data for opening and closing account, opening and closing the FDs, RDs. FD stands for fixed deposit, RD for recurring deposit, and many transactions can be done online. banks uses ATM. It stands for automated teller machine for cash withdrawal and deposit also. Right now there are also the tasks like printing the passbook entries and check on submission. Right now all these machines are available in the banks, so these are the possible using the IT. Also in insurance, like we see some advertisement like get insurance like this, and this about 1 crore insurance is there. So computer can be used to track policies to starting date, next installment date, maturity date, and also we can compare 2 or 3 different companies insurance also. Okay, now in marketing, if you want to do some advertising and some you have to launch the product, before that you can also use, like everyone uses social networking websites where advertisement are flashed according to individuals interests. Okay, so also in marketing field IT is used, and government and public sector also use the IT sectors. Like there are various government websites are there, then we use ICT, we can use it. Okay, like online form filling, like many informations like right to information is there. Then after we can also use the government sector, like online job applications are there. Okay, so many websites are there for the government public sector where they can use the IT sector also. Okay, so this is all about the IT applications, mean where the IT is used. And last topic in this is health sector. To diagnose the disease is there, computers analog CAT is machines are there. MRI scanner is there, MRI stand for magnetic resonance image machine is there. ECG is there, electrocardiogram is there. Then after cardiac screening machines are there. So in the health sector, in the hospitality also the computer is or IT is using. Okay, so these are the applications are there where the IT is used. Now we are going to solve the chapter 1 session number 3 and its solution, because after that our first, second, third session is going to be complete. That's why. Okay students, now first, which of the following shows the use of computer uses of the computers at home? So for this it is watching the movies. Okay, watching the movies, answer is watching the movies. Next, machines is used to monitor the heartbeat. So to monitor the heartbeat, no one is there. To monitor the heartbeat, our answer will be, it will be none of these. Okay, then after, ATM stands for automated teller machine. Okay, then next is question answers is there. How is ICT used in classroom? So for this, smart classes are there, presentation with animation and text, experimental videos, simulations, images as teaching learning materials, desktop publishing and magazines, and educational games. Write any 2 ways in which ICT has made the learning process easy. So first, educational anytime anywhere, and learning management system like LMS. Okay, these are the 2 areas. So students, this is all about the session 3. Now after this we are going to solve exercise of this chapter final, because here we have chapter number 1 is completing. Okay, then after we will solve this exercise of this chapter, and in this session A, session B, section C and section D is there. So try to solve this section, and you have to send me this assessment, self-assessment 1, 2 and 3, all that in a PDF format, and then in the next lecture I will solve the exercise 1 of this chapter. Okay, till then thank you and bye, and don't forget to like my videos. Okay, and share to your friends too. Okay, till then thank you and bye.